What's happening, Insta360 X6? I swipe down and swipe over to the left, and you got three things that are white highlighted. I'm in pure video mode, and yeah, it's a little earlier than usual, so it is considered a dark shot. If I switch on over to video mode, it may be a little too dark. And there you go, video mode. Now, if you notice something a little different, my audio may be increased a little louder than usual. I'm still on video mode, and the reasons why I increased my audio up to 6 dB. 6 dB should help improve my audio. I'm not sure why randomly my audio is lower than the Luna. Well, we'll see. Let's raise it up to the next level. The highest in dB level we can do is plus 9 dB. I might as well just put it back to one below, 6 dB or maybe 3 dB. And don't worry about it. You'll raise it up, lower it down. I'm just noting to myself. Never know if something was incorrectly hit. And that's why those three lights, like wireless mic and AI editor and accessory, is white. I shot video on my last vlog, but it's not shown there. And in Pro Video, that's the file's name. I'm not sure if it was free frame, the open gate that just shows a nice big circle, 3 videos, and it just didn't match what I was saying, so I didn't put it in. I do feel that free frame 2.0 opens up a wider field of view. It allows you to zoom in more and go out more. And the X6 just tells you in badges your field of view. Versus here with combination of 0.7, 1.0, 1.1, 1.2 as your zoom in a slider. I just barely touched this with my fingertip, my nail most likely, but look at that start before sunrise. I started the video with the Mic Pro, and I'm on free frame 2.0. I now kind of understand why they did video, free frame, pure video. It kind of like I could switch back and forth now going from video to pure video. I don't have to swipe a few times, it's just one time only. That's what I'm saying. There's a lot of light right here, and that's why I'm well lit. If I'm really in a dark area, like I was before, that's where the camera really starts to shine. I need to get down to the amusement a little faster than usual, because they got the lights lit up and it's still dark. Looking in the screen, I see deep purple, baby. But my eyes don't see that at all. But this is well lit up because the street lights and the parachute jump is going up. I have to make a scene, and I know how to do it. I don't have the cage, but I have to figure out a different way with what I got, what I want to do. And it's not going to be hard because I got the selfie sticks and I got the vertical mount. And I just got to do it in a little reverse order. And it'd be awesome if I get it done right. I should be lit up there, X6. Do I need to touch my face? Light me up, double tap my face? Now it's on. Not enough light. Maybe the sun's coming up behind me, causing a silhouette. Every second counts just to get that shot. And I'm almost there. Almost there to get that shot. I turned pure video mode off because I'm not sure which shot will look better. I want to look a little darker, and pure video may highlight it too much. Well, we are getting close and the lights are lit up, some facing us, which we don't want. All right, the main light is the parachute jump. My eyes are blurry, and I'm looking through right now like a blurry image. Do I need to re-clean my lens? All right, I think this is the shot. This is the moment. Right over here. Now you have to figure which is the best angle, the best shot, the distance and all, just to capture that moment. I think right here will do. And I'm not out that far. And give you a shot. See, the lights are on. All over. I don't have to really go that far because the camera shows that I'm looking all the way in a wide angle. I'm on 1.0x, as they call. Whatever that is. Early on, I mentioned about those big white badges in Swipe Down and Over. So I got twist to shot on. I turned it off. And I couldn't go back. It was hard to press. But I did go back to where it was at before pressing twist to on. And that quick connection area was no longer white. It was the regular color. Basically, it's telling you that, hey, I got the mics on. So the wireless mic area is telling you that you got something in there, as well as the accessory, as well as quick connect. How sweet is that? I just learned something new, Fish. Maybe somebody else there will learn it as well. But why have it so white? Make it a different color, please. Don't make it so bright either. Well, I'm gonna turn around, get on going. I did turn around, but I am gonna get on going. And I don't even think I'm picking up the Luna Ultra to take a shot. Maybe I'll complete my video with the X6 today. Well, I had my ride, my share, my fun, my talk, my show. Maybe we'll get down and do a highlight talk. Well, I gotta hold the camera. I could balance it on the pole. And I don't want to do that. You can see it's all over the place. And there's my hands right here. And they probably fall. But I'll keep my hands right here anyway. The Insta360 X6 as a vlogger's camera, as a everyday camera, as a travel camera, as an action camera, as whatever you want to make out of it. That's all up to you. I see things a little differently than others. And right behind me, I even grabbed the Luna Ultra. It's just with me. I'm happy using their cameras. They're both great cameras. They're both 1-inch sensors. Almost 1 inch. 1.1.1. I do have a little bit of a concern with the Mic Pro. Thought I got that issue resolved. Could it be the Mic Pro causing the issues of the audio of the camera? No one knows. Well, that's it for now. Time for me to get on going. I'm gonna put you all away and have a great day.